Hello, Alex here, Sales Manager at RH Wood Floors. We are dedicated wood floor specialists working exclusively within the wood floor industry here in Ireland, holding esteemed certifications from organizations such as the NWFA, Bona, Hummel, and Junckers. Working with the latest in dust-free machine, tool, and materials technologies makes us a front runner in installations, stains, and finishings. We offer the largest range of stains and staining processes and even possess the ability to provide texturing to certain species of wood during our refurbishment process. Being the largest installation, parquet, and refurbishment company in Ireland, we are able to cope with the current high demand, all while making good on those tight deadlines in emergency projects. With a comprehensive written quotation provided on each and every project, there's never a worry about what is and what is not included within our scopes of work. So if you're interested in having a chat to see if we are able to help you with your next project, just know that we would be delighted to do so.